Hello, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today, I am sharing with you a Mother's Day tablescape. Today, I just wanted to give you a little inspiration to help you to create a tablescape for your mother or for yourself or, just to celebrate the Mother's Day that is coming up soon. And as you watch the rest of this video, I just wanted to share a Mother's Day poem with you, and it's called A Mother's Love, and it's been written by Helen Stellar Rice. A mother's love is something that no one can explain. It is made of deep devotion and of sacrifice and pain. It is endless and selfless and enduring come what may. For nothing can destroy it or take that love away. It is patient and forgiving when all others are forsaking, and it never fails or falters even though the heart is breaking. It believes beyond believing when the world around condemns, and it glows with all the beauty of the rarest, brightest gems. It is far beyond defining. It defies all explanation, and it still remains a secret, like the mysteries of creation. A many-splendored miracle man cannot understand, and another wondrous evidence of God's tender guiding hand. I hope that was encouraging to you all. All of you mothers out there, I just want to say once again, Happy Mother's Day. I am so happy to have you here on today. I am celebrating my mother as well, and I dedicate this tablescape unto her. I'm so grateful for her, and I'm so glad that the Lord has allowed her to still be with me on today. If this happens to be your first time here, thanks again for coming by to visit my channel. And if you have enjoyed this video, there's more to come. I upload a Tablescape every Tuesday, and I'm hoping to have you come and visit again. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hit it twice so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And for those that have been my faithful viewers, thank you once again for viewing this video. And I hope that you have enjoyed this also. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy your Mother's Day to all of the mothers, and have a blessed weekend. God bless.